Grabovoi, concentration exercises, the fourth day of the month. Exercise number 1 for the fourth day of the month. On this day, you should concentrate on crystals or stones. You can even use something as small as a grain of sand. Let's say you have chosen a particular stone. Now, imagine a sphere around the stone as you are concentrating on it. This is the information sphere. In your mind's eye, you can see how all the desired results become assembled within this sphere. You simply place the events you need inside this sphere. That is how control is being realized during the execution of this concentration technique. Exercise number 2, the fourth day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers: 5, 1, 9, 4, 7, 2, 6. 9-digit sequence: 7, 1, 5, 0, 4, 3, 7, 6, 9. Exercise number 3 for the fourth day of the month. Use that aspect of reality which these techniques reveal to you. The techniques have to be harmonious. One method must follow out of the other, just as the second technique follows after the first. When you are walking down a street, you see that every new step arises out of the previous one. You can stand up from a sitting position, and you take note of the fact that there are multiple possibilities for every movement. They may develop out of a previous movement, and then they may themselves become the next previous movement. Create the world as though it has always been a continuous entity, as if every movement of this world relates only to you as a unique person. When you create such an integrated world, which will arm you with specific means of control in this world and through this world, then our world will exist everywhere, and you will arrive there and take it in your hands. And your hands will become the world that provides support for your world. And you will see that you are able to touch the world eternal and everlasting, the world of worlds. And it will be the one and the same for everyone. It will be a unified world which you have chosen for yourself, as did everyone else. Create this world so that it is ideal for everyone and ideal for you. The ideal should not be divided. You should be able to see the ideal for all people and yourself in your unified world, as well as in the unified world of all other people.